Merry Christmas, everyone. May your homes be filled with laughter, your hearts with love, and your lives with joy. Hugs and kisses from the Equator somewhere off the coast of Brazil. Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I still believe in Santa Claus. It's Christmas Eve on the Serenade of the Seas, going around the world. It's not your typical Christmas weather, warm waters and blue skies.
Happy, happy!
After our lunch, we decided to have a fruit plate and a cheese plate, and we're sharing it. It's nice. We have this a lot. We give you a nice variety of cheeses and some tropical fruits. Oh, it's so nice to come back to the room and it's all clean and tidy every single day. As a matter of fact, he does our room twice a day, and it's wonderful. So it's Christmas Eve, and we have things to do, and we're going to celebrate.
And food to eat and wine to drink.
Tonight they're going to have a big celebration. We're going to have a Christmas dinner. It's a formal, so we're going to dress up tonight. It's a big day. Sunny day today. You can tell the water is clear because it has a nice blue hue to it. And we've got 2 more days of sailing before we get to Brazil on our next stop. And we're enjoying ourselves. We're getting used to being on the ship, kind of developing a routine. Every night there's a show, and they fly different entertainers into various ports with a different act every night. Tonight we are entertained by the Beatles.
Merry Christmas!
The Centrum is where the action never stops. From early morning to late at night, there's dance classes, singing, musical performances. It's a great place to relax and have a nightcap. Tonight is Christmas Eve, and we're getting ready for some Christmas carols. Our cruise director and the crew, they're leading us through about a dozen Christmas carols. Christmas songs sure bring back childhood memories. How are you? Merry Christmas.
It's a beautiful day.
Oh my gosh. Well, we're watching him make this turn. You know why we're doing this, right?
Yeah, we are crossing the Equator.
So Santa can land.
So the Santa can land.
Yes, because it's going to be too windy for Santa.
For Santa.
So we're turning to kind of get lower the wind.
Beautiful.
We're at the northern hemisphere and we're crossing the equator, but we're doing this so that Santa can land on the ship.
Makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense. And it will lower the wind too for him to be able to land safely. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, Teresa.
We're having a lot of fun, and there's a lot of activities today. We're gonna try to get involved in some of these activities they're doing. But this one is for Santa. Circle.
Middle of nowhere. Yeah.
In the middle of
I don't
nowhere.
think we'll ever have a Christmas like this again.
No, no.
It's a once in a lifetime.
Yes. My gosh. Waiting for Santa. Yep. He's arrived. We just don't know where he is.
Well, he's here. He's on board somewhere. He's on board somewhere.
Merry Christmas.
Looking out for him. Keep an eye. I think I see him. I think I see him over here, everybody.
There he is.
I
There he is.
see him. He's here.
There's Santa.
Santa Claus is with us, everybody.
Oh.
He's away. With the two little elves as well. Ho, ho, ho. Bring him down. Where's he gone? That wasn't the plan, Bruce. That wasn't the plan, Bruce. We rehearsed,
He
Bruce.
lost his hat.
That wasn't the way. Where's he gone?
Oh, there he is.
Christmas Santa Claus! Everybody is here. He's here. Bring him down. Bring him down. Bring him this way. This way. Down the stairs. As rehearsed. Yes, sir. Give us some applause. Santa Claus, everybody.
It's getting warm.
Big ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
He's had a late one. He's had a late one.
Let's step back. You're a little girl. Santa.
Everybody give him a wave. Give him a wave. Santa Claus has arrived.
Look at the glow. Everyone under 17 are getting their photos with Santa, and they're getting presents. The best part for Christmas for me is seeing the joy in the children's faces. Their excitement is just contagious. They're so cute and adorable. Merry Christmas. It's in the morning. We just saw Santa give away his presents to the kids. We happened to come up here to the Windjammer to get a little bite to eat for breakfast. And then we're going to head up to some other activities for the day. They have all kinds of stuff. We're trying to take it easy on the food. Zarko's having that. They have eggnog. I haven't had eggnog in years. Zarko's trying his invisible fishing pole, catching some invisible fish. Merry Christmas, everyone, and we'll see you in Fortaleza, Brazil.